smooth. That's baby's bottom.
Like snow in the spring, I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. Another video. What's up, y'all? I hope that everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. So everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, of course, I am Candace Denise. And we do things, all things girly here on my channel. Girly, plus size, self-care, glow up, maintenance, and we romanticize our everyday life on this channel, okay? So today I'm gonna bring y'all along for my monthly everything shower routine. That's gonna include shaving, showering, washing my hair, brows, and I gotta wash my hair and refresh my Pixie. So we got a lot to do. We got a lot of girly maintenance things to do today. And this is like one of my favorite ways to pour back into myself. Not only pour back into myself, but reset, feel clean, feeling like that girl. And we just stepped into a new year, so we're setting a tone for the entire year. So of course, if you like self-care days, soft life energy, like girly things, make sure you are subscribed and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I look like this right now because I'm just getting out the bed. You can even hear it in my voice. I've been laying around all day long. But we're getting up now. We finna get active and we finna get in this bathroom and we finna get into this everything shower routine. So let's go. This candle I actually made at the Augusta candle company. And it's a mix between like lavender and vanilla, things like that. Relaxing, calm scent. But when I think of relaxing, I think of lavender. So that's what we're gonna like today. Let's pull out everything. I'm gonna start with shaving. So let's pull out everything that I'm gonna use for that. Okay, so for shaving my bikini area and my underarms, this is what I use. It's the AccuBim women's trimmer, and I got this from the TikTok shop, so I'll link it. And this gets you smooth. When I say smooth, I mean it. I start with my Dove body scrub. Make sure I exfoliate the areas that I'll be shaving, which are my bikini area and my underarms. So I start with this, the EOS shave cream and the shave oil serum. I combine these two. You can use them separately, but I feel like it gets me extra smooth. My skin is extra soft once I combine these two. And then once I'm done shaving, I go in with my body scrub again, just to make sure I don't have any ingrown hairs or anything like that, or that I got everything's taken care of. So let's get to it.
The things that she got, that amount of exposure that she's had.
All right, shaving complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and exfoliate my face as well. So we're using the Mario Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. My face is really sensitive, so that's what works best for my skin. Okay, now I'm gonna let it air dry and then catch some steam in the shower. But what I'm gonna do is wash my hair, then I'll take a shower. So let's get to the hair washing. So I'm gonna start with my zinc shampoo. That's for dandruff and seborrheic dermatitis because I do have dandruff issues in my scalp. Then I'm gonna use the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Sulfate Free Shampoo. This was recommended by my stylist. So I'm gonna use this. And then I'm gonna use, it's a leave-in conditioner, but as a regular conditioner. So I'm gonna use this to wash my hair. For today's shower, we're gonna use the Dove Antibacterial Body Wash. Then I'm gonna use my Sweetest Song Body Scrub that I just got. My pink exfoliating glove. My Sweetest Song Body Wash. Hey Siri, play songs I like on Apple Music.
Sure, here's some music picked just for you on Apple Music.
After the hoping and the praying and the wishing. After the shower, using my Mario Badescu toner. I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare before I mold my hair down. Mario Badescu toner. Let that air dry. I'm gonna use the Ordinary Plant Derived Squalene. Oil-free moisturizer. For my under eye, I'm going to use the Peach and Lily Pure Radiance Brightening Eye Cream. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my body because to mold my hair is I'm gonna have to sit down and concentrate. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and I got my water bottle to re-wet my hair. I didn't go back and get the body cream for the Sweetest Song, so I'm gonna just use this champagne toast. And I'm gonna combine it with my Vaseline. Got some water. Let's spray her and get her that wet. I'm gonna use this Almond and Avocado by Design Essentials, the Curl Enhancing Mousse. If I can get it open. Oh, there we go. Scene close. Hello.
Hey, how long you been recording?
How long have I been recording?
Yeah.
About 8 minutes.
Let me try to do it from the way.
Okay. You got it. Now, if you can do this, fade away.
I can't. I literally can't.
Let's see what you got.
On her mama wig because they had taught her how to do it in what you call it. But
That's a good start, though. She did good. That's a good start. You just gotta keep practicing. I don't even know how to do no finger waves. I be trying.
ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Hit me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know.
Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Might spray a little holding spray on it. On just the front though. And I got my wrap strips. I need this to let up. Okay. Maybe not. Okay, let's go get under the dryer. Kendra Volume Super Bowl Finishing Spray. Heat protected. Yeah, I just need to set a little bit. So we're gonna let it sit up and then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna see what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm gonna tweeze my brows. I forgot to do my brows. And I gotta put my scarf on with my bow wow scarf. Okay. It's coming along nicely.
So they might get to 4 shooters. Figures one day we car can live at work. LAPD! Hands in the air! Hands in the air! Just reporting for the Sentinel lab. Look, get across the shooting table. When? This morning. How'd you know? Too early to say, but there were no signs of force or trauma.
have a clean set of brows. I look at them over here and it's like they look weird, but I look at them here. Well, I can't see them here. My scarf did come off last night, both of them. But I got up this morning and I touched it up a bit. But I wanted to show y'all before I wash my face. Because I lay back down. Okay, let me wash my face. It'll come together. It'll come together. Let me wash my face. Well, I can show y'all my underarms. Smooth. That's baby's bottom. Everything's smooth. I can't even do it with these short nails, y'all. Thank ya. They're gonna get longer. Trust and believe. This wraps up my everything shower monthly refresh. Now, you know, you can do it as needed or as you feel for your self-care needs, but when I do everything, it's on a monthly basis. Like everything, you know. So we did shaving, we did underarms, bikini area, we plucked our brows, we did an everything shower in which we exfoliated, and we washed my hair, we exfoliated our face as well. So listen, I poured back into myself and now I just feel refreshed. I feel ready to take over the world. I just love doing girly things, y'all. I love pouring back into myself because I do a lot of pouring back into others. I do a lot of taking care of others. So there's nothing wrong with taking care of me. And taking care of me on the outside looks like doing an everything shower, making sure the outer appearance is together. And that's what we did today. So drop down in the comments and let me know, how often do you do your everything shower? Do you do everything showers or do you just do it randomly? I like to do it like towards the beginning of the month so that it's like a monthly refresh thing. And then I go into a new month, you know, feeling good inside and outside. Let me know what things that I should incorporate into my everything routine. Like I've been seeing like this feminine wash, gentle cleanser that I want to try. I don't know, but I think I do want to try it. So let me know what your holy grails are, what things that are your go-tos that you have to use for your everything routine. Let me know that in the comments. Make sure you like this video. Most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. I do want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and support. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I love y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.